In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn Google Forms into PDFs and send emails. To get started, open the Google form you want to work with. Make sure you are viewing the form itself, not a separate page, so the layout you see is the layout that will be captured in the PDF. It also helps to take a moment to confirm the form looks the way you want. For example, check the title and any visible section headings, since those will appear in your saved file. Next, go to the top right corner of the form and find the More menu. This is the three dots icon. Click it once to open a small drop-down menu with additional options. From that menu, select Print. As soon as you click Print, a print dialog will open. This is a standard browser print window, and it gives you control over where your printout goes. Even though it is called printing, you are not required to use a physical printer. Inside the print dialog, look for the setting labeled Destination. This is the key step that turns your form into a PDF. Open the destination options, then choose Save as PDF. Once you select Save as PDF, your browser is set to create a PDF file instead of sending anything to a printer. Now click Save. After you click Save, another window will appear asking where you want to store the file on your computer. Choose a folder you will remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. If you have the option to rename the file, use a clear name that matches the form so you can find it quickly later. Then confirm the save. At this point, your Google form has been converted into a PDF file and saved locally. You can open the PDF to verify it looks correct before you share it or attach it to an email. If the formatting is not what you expected, return to the form, adjust what you need, and repeat the same print to PDF process. And that is all there is to it.